Welcome to PaidToday, part 2 of the automations. In this automation, we're going to create add a contact to a sales pipeline when they come in as a new contact. So we're going to go ahead and create a new automation up here. And in our last tutorial, you can see we created this one, and this one assigned some actions to a team member. But in this automation, we're going to assign the contact to a pipeline. And this way we can keep track of them, our new customers in here. So this one will be also a new contact trigger. And then we'll say save step. And then for the action, all we're going to do on this one is we're going to go pipeline add. And we're going to add them to the PID customer journey pipeline. And then we'll select that one. And then we're going to go into the first step. You can choose which step they go into, but for this one, we're just going to put them in the first one. And I'll just add that on here just so that I know when I'm looking at my steps here. And so that's how you can add them to a pipeline. That's all it takes for this one. Now I could have done this in the other pipeline, but for these examples, I kind of want to break this up to show you a couple different things that we could do here. So if this is still turned off by default, so just make sure we save that. Oops, I added another one. I only want one of those. So we're going to go ahead and turn this automation on. And now that it's on, so if we go back to our automations here, we have two, and they're both on, and they're both created when a new contact is created. So what will happen is when a new contact comes in, both of these are going to run from that same trigger.